Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Get Play Soon. In this video, we are going to discuss the life cycle of process in operating system. This is the seventh video in the series of operating system. So if you haven't watched my previous videos yet, then make sure to watch them. Now let's get started with today's video. By life cycle of process, I mean the stages in which the process goes through. In common framework, you can see there are five minimum stages like new, ready, wait, running, terminate, etc. So these are the five common stages. But there are two other stages. You'll get to know them in the upcoming slides. So please stay tuned. Now let's get started and understand all the stages one by one. The first state we are going to discuss is new. In some places you can see new, the words like start or create. So this is a stage where the process is being created but it's not fully initialized. That's why look at the first point. The process is created but not yet ready to run. And also this will be in the secondary memory. To enter this first initial state only, when a system call like such as fork arrives, then the process is entered into this state. In this state, it is created and it will be extremely ready to run. And this state is in the secondary memory. When the OS retrieves a program from secondary memory, then it will move to ready state. Moving ahead, we have ready state. After creation, the process enters the ready state as you already know. The process is loaded from the main memory and is waiting for the processor to be assigned. So there might be a lot of processors waiting to get executed, right? So all these processes are stored in a queue called ready queue. Once from the queue the process is dequeued, then it will go to the next state, that is the running state. When it is given a chance to execute, then that is called running state. Here all you need to remember is only one process can run on a processor at a time. Moving ahead, we have one more stage, that is wait. It is also sometimes known as blocked. This is the stage where during execution, it will stop execution and it will move out of the execution and has to wait in this place. So this is called, this process is temporarily halted, waiting for something to happen. There might be several reasons for the process to come and halt here. Let's understand that reasons. The first reason, as you can see here, so there might be some user input or output device access required. So from execution, it will come to the wait stage and it will wait until it get the input. Or the OS knowingly interrupts process for higher priority tasks. For example, if there is some other process that has to be completed immediately, then the OS intentionally stops the running process and shifts the process to the wait stage. Or if a resource is locked by another process, then the process will come to the waiting stage until it gets the resource. Moving ahead, so once it comes to the waiting stage, it will again go to the ready state, and from that, it will again go to the running state. As we already discussed ready and running stage, next go to the terminate stage. The terminate stage is nothing but the process has finished its execution. It releases its resources and is removed from the system. All the resources allocated to the process are released or deallocated, and the process is terminated and is deleted permanently. So these are the five common stages that the process goes through. I'm just giving you a small recap. New is the stage where it is created but still waiting to get into the main memory and get executed. And from secondary memory it goes to the main memory and it will be waiting in the ready queue. Once it gets an opportunity to get executed, it will move from the ready queue and gets run. That is the running stage. In case if there are any problems like it needs input output or it needs any resource or it has any other higher priority operation came, then it will be waiting under the waiting block. Once the wait is complete, it will again go to the ready block, and from ready stage it will again go to the running stage, and then once it is executed it will go to the terminate stage where it is completely deleted and all the resource allocation everything is completely destroyed. So these are the five common stages. I hope you understood. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Moving ahead, as I said, these are the five common things. We also have extra stages, that is suspended ready and suspended wait. So these are the additional stages that we are going to discuss now. First, let's start and understand about the suspended ready. Here, you need to understand that when I said the word suspend, when I said the word suspend, It means it has been removed, swapped out of the main memory and placed into the secondary memory. You can see the both stages, suspended ready and suspended block. Both of them are from the main memory. Suddenly they are bring for some reason, suddenly they are moved to the secondary memory. Now let's first understand suspended ready. A process that was initially in the ready state, as you can see, is swapped out of the main memory and placed onto the secondary memory. This process will transit back to the ready state when it is back to the main memory. Similarly, let's understand suspended wait or block. A process in the suspended block state is temporarily moved from main memory and is placed into the secondary memory. This is done to free up space in main memory for other processes. So, why we are having these additional states is because there might be some problems in main memory. There might be no space in the main memory. That's why the suspended ready and suspended wait are the stages where the processes are shifted to the secondary memory for some time. Once in the main memory there is some space, then the processes are called back. Now you just look into the diagram. Suspended ready is coming from ready and going to ready. Suspended wait is coming from wait and going to wait again. So these are the additional two. So that's it from my side. I hope you understood this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Get placed soon.